In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the underlying code for a sent email, which is helpful for troubleshooting formatting issues, reviewing your template structure, or sharing the markup with a developer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot. From the search results, click the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step so you can get to your dashboard securely. After you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar of the HubSpot interface. Hover your mouse to reveal the main navigation, then locate the marketing section. This is where HubSpot keeps tools related to campaigns, assets, and outreach. Click Marketing, and within that menu, choose Email. That will take you into the Email tool where you manage drafts, scheduled sends, and past sends. Inside the Email tool, switch to the Sent view. This tab shows messages that have already gone out to your audience. Find the specific email you want to work with. Hover your mouse over that email row to reveal additional options, then click Actions. From the drop-down, select View Email. This opens a full preview of the message as it appears to recipients, including images, links, and styling. With the preview open, right-click anywhere on the email content. In the context menu that appears, choose View Page Source. Your browser will open a new tab that displays the raw HTML for the rendered email. This is the complete markup that powers the design you just saw. From here, you can review the structure of the code, check how styles are applied, and confirm that links, images, and tracking parameters are set correctly. This is especially useful for diagnosing display inconsistencies across email clients, understanding how inline CSS is handled, or verifying that merge tags resolved as expected. If you need to share the code, you can carefully copy the portions you need from this view. Keep in mind that this is a read-only look at the rendered output. You aren't editing the original email in HubSpot from this screen. That's the entire process. Sign in to HubSpot, go to Marketing, open Email, switch to Sent. Hover the email, choose Actions, select View Email, right-click, and view the page source. Follow these steps anytime you need quick access to the HTML behind a sent message. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more confidently with your HubSpot emails.